Living in Weston means experiencing a unique blend of New England weather, freezing winters, humid summers, and plenty of rain in between. This mix of temperatures and moisture can take a toll on your windows over time, especially if they're not properly cared for. But with the right maintenance routine, you can preserve your windows' performance, improve your home's comfort, and extend their lifespan for years to come. Here are practical, homeowner-friendly maintenance tips to help your windows withstand Weston's ever-changing climate. Clean windows regularly to prevent dirt and moisture buildup. Dirt, pollen, and moisture naturally accumulate on windows throughout the year. If left unchecked, these contaminants can trap water, encourage mold, and even cause frame deterioration. Simple cleaning tips. Use a mild soap solution or vinegar-based cleaner for glass. Wipe down window frames and sills with a damp cloth to remove grime. Avoid using harsh chemicals that may damage finishes or seals. Clean both the interior and exterior sides at least twice a year. Spring and fall are perfect times. Regular cleaning not only keeps your windows clear and beautiful but also prevents long-term wear caused by built-up debris. Inspect window seals to keep drafts and moisture out. Weston's cold winters and humid summers can weaken window seals over time. When seals crack or peel, air and moisture can seep in, reducing your home's energy efficiency and increasing the risk of water damage. What to look for during inspections: cracked, peeling, or missing caulking, condensation between window panes, drafts near the window edges, soft or discolored wood around the frame. If you notice any of these issues, resealing the window with high-quality exterior caulk can help restore an airtight barrier. For major seal failures, especially between panes, replacement glass or a new window may be needed. Keep moving parts lubricated for smooth operation. Windows that stick or refuse to open aren't just frustrating, they're often a sign of dirt buildup, friction, or hardware wear. Proper lubrication extends the lifespan of your windows and helps ensure they work when you need them most, especially for ventilation during Weston's humid summers. Helpful tips. Apply silicone-based spray to tracks, hinges, and locks. Avoid using oil-based lubricants, which attract dust. Clean tracks thoroughly before lubricating to remove dirt and debris. Smooth operating hardware also reduces strain on window components, preventing unnecessary damage over time. Check for water damage after heavy rain or snow. Weston's climate includes heavy rainstorms and snowy winters, both of which can challenge your window's ability to keep moisture out. After major weather events, take a moment to check for signs of leaks. Look for water spots or staining on interior walls, damp or swollen wood window frames, softening of drywall or window trim, persistent condensation or fogging. Catching moisture problems early can prevent mold, rot, and expensive repairs down the road. Maintain weather stripping for energy efficiency. Weather stripping plays a crucial role in keeping Weston homes comfortable year-round. It seals gaps around window sashes to keep warm air inside during winter and block humid air during summer. Maintenance steps. Inspect weather stripping annually for cracking, flattening, or peeling. Replace damaged sections immediately. Choose high-quality, durable materials suited for cold and humid climates. Well-maintained weather stripping can significantly improve energy efficiency and reduce your heating and cooling costs. Repaint or reseal wood frames to prevent rot. If your Weston home has wood windows, they require extra care because wood is sensitive to moisture. Humidity and rain can cause swelling, warping, or rot if the protective coating wears away. Maintenance schedule. Inspect paint or finish once a year. Repaint or reseal every 2 to 3 years depending on weather exposure. Address small cracks or chips early to prevent water infiltration. Keeping wood frames sealed protects them from New England's harsh moisture cycles. Final thoughts. Your windows are one of your home's first lines of defense against Weston's fluctuating climate. Regular maintenance not only preserves their beauty but also enhances your comfort, boosts energy efficiency, and extends their lifespan. With consistent care, cleaning, sealing, inspecting, and lubricating, you can enjoy reliable, long-lasting window performance no matter what the weather brings.